Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College.
Now we have seen examples for method of inversion. Now we will see examples for method of reduction. Now in that first example, what I have taken is x plus 3y equal to 2 and 3x plus 5y equal to 4. Now what is your always first step? First step is to write the given equations in matrix form. So what will be matrix form? Matrix form. First row will be 1, 3, coefficient of x and coefficient of y, and this side it is 3, 5 into variable matrix is equal to 2, 4. Okay. Now what is this? This is actually ax equal to b. Now previous in inversion method we need to find out a inverse. It is a lengthy procedure. Now this is not little bit lengthy procedure. Here what you have to do, you have to convert the given matrix, this matrix A, to upper triangular matrix and rewrite the equations, and you will get the values of x and y. So we will, here only one element you have to make 0, that is 3. What will be my operation? R2 minus 3 into R1. So first row will remain same. 3 minus 3 into 1 is 3, so 0. 5 minus 3 into 3 is 9. 5 minus 9 is minus 4 into x, y. This is equal to 2 as it is. Then 4 R2, 4, 3 into 2 is 6. 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Now already this has become 0. So we can rewrite, this has become a upper triangular matrix. Therefore, we can rewrite in equation form. So rewrite in equation form. So what will be my equation form? 1 into x plus 3 into y is equal to 2. So it will be x plus 3y is equal to 2. Then 0 into x is 0. Minus 4 into y is minus 4y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y equal to minus 2 upon minus 4 is 1 by 2. Yes, substitute this y in this equation. So what it will become? X plus 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, x equal to 3 by 2 take on the other side. So 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So again x also equal to half. So what is the answer? X is also half and y is also half. Understood this? This is a little bit easy method and very less steps are required here. Now you can check whether your answer is right. Substitute here. X is half. Half plus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. Then here 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So you get RHS equal to LHS. That means your answer is right. The next example, 3 equations are given. First we will write the 3 equations in matrix form. So what will be the matrix form? One minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, and 3, 3 minus 4 into x, y, z is equal to 1, 1, 2. Okay, so coefficient of x, y, z, first equation, first row, second equation, second row, and third equation, third row. Constant matrix here, and this is your variable matrix. We are doing method of reduction, so we have to convert these 3 elements to 0. A21, A31 and A32. So here what will be our first operation? It will be R2 minus 2 into R1. This is 1. So, and this R3 minus 3 into R1. Okay. So first row as it is. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2, 0. Minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is 1. then 0, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, then 3, 3 and this is 3, 3 into 1 3, 3 minus 3 0, then 3 minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 and 3 plus 3 is, this will become 6, then minus 4 and minus 3 into 3 is minus 3, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 and your variable matrix x, y, z and this is equal to 1. Same operations on RHS. R2 is 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and this operation is 2, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, 2 minus 3 is again minus 1. So you can see these two elements have converted to 0. Now we have to convert this element 6 to 0. We will use this 1. So what will be my operation? R3 minus 6 into R2. So the element will become 0 and what elements we have made 0, they will have no change here. Okay. So first row as it is 1 minus 1 1. Second row as it is 0 1 minus 2. Now 0 0, so no operation here. Then 6, R3 is 6, minus 6 into 1 is 6, 6 minus 6, this will become 0. Then R3 is minus 7, minus 6 into minus 2 is plus 12, minus 7 plus 12 is 5. Variable matrix, first row no change, second row no change, third row it is R3 minus 6. So 6 into minus 6 is how much? Plus 6. So minus 1 and plus 6 is 5. So this is equal to 5. Now we have converted this matrix to upper triangular matrix. These three elements are 0. So we will rewrite the matrix form into equation form. So what will be my equation form? 1 into x, x, minus 1 into y, minus y and 1 into z is z equal to 1. Then 0 into x is 0, 1 into y is y, minus 2 into z is minus 2z and it is equal to minus 1. Yes, and third equation 0 into x 0, 0 into y 0 and 5 into z is 5z equal to 5. So from here what do you get? Z is equal to 1. So when you get z, you will substitute in the above equation. So substitute z in this equation. So y minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 1. 2 into 1 is 2. When you take on the other side, it will become plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2 which is equal to 1. So again y also is equal to 1. So here you get y1. So substitute here x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 1 cancel. So again you get x also equal to 1. So what is your answer? It is x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. All the three values are 1. You can check your answer whether it is correct. 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 1. Right hand side equal to RHS. 2 into 1 minus 1 is 1. Then 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So here you can see your answer is right. The three values are 1, 1, 1.